My KVM switch was acting strange, so I decided to test it. I wired it into itself. No internet, everything blocked. Just a closed loop. Then I turned on developer mode and disabled the firewall. Within seconds, it connected to Thailand. This device I bought on Amazon is actively keylogging and phoning home. Every keystroke, every password, potentially compromised. IO Gear won't answer. Amazon won't remove it. They're still selling this right now.
It's going to talk. It has nothing to talk about. And we can end it by simply giving one keystroke. So here we go. Here it goes. Firewall's off. 45, 44. KVM switch. KVM switch. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't make us a liar. Yeah, they're open. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a contact to Thailand. We tricked it.